Hi everyone, Nancy and
Anastasia.
and welcome back to Our Treasure Home. Yes, it's been a minute since I did a video.
More than a minute.
That's a saying. So, just getting back into a routine and everything. So, yeah, school's over. Yay, today's a final day of school, June 1st. So, lots of things going on. But today we're doing a lunch video. What are you having for lunch?
Bread, cheese, and vegetables.
Cheese and vegetables. Are you having
bread.
And bread. Are you having a salad?
Yes.
You're having a salad. That's good. She loves salad. She'll just make a salad out of anything. So today, I'm going to show y'all chicken salad. You can put on. Alright?
I'm fine.
It's nothing in there.
Is everybody's ears alright?
Yep. Everybody's ears alright. Chicken salad. Not, you can put it on sandwiches, bread. You got pita bread, sourdough bread, or you can just put it in a lettuce and have a lettuce wrap or a tortilla wrap and everything. I'm going to show you what I do with my chicken salad. Something very unusual I did the other day just as a test one before I made a video. I was like, oh my goodness, it turned out so well. I was like, yeah, I gotta do a video about it. So, I use canned chicken. I am taking a can. So, I got canned chicken, and I'm just gonna, break it up so that alright, there we go. There's the noodles left over from dinner last night. I asked my son, I said, what are you going to do with them? I said, I don't know. Because I know it make that much. I said, we don't eat a whole box of noodles anymore. So it's stuff that we're not eating. We're trying to go through, eat up what we can and everything. We don't eat a lot of noodles. Not like we used to. So, alright. See, you kind of just want to break it up. So it's nice. You can leave it chunky, but I break mine up. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this up so I can show you both ways. So, let's put, I'll do half and half. There we go. Alright, because this is a huge can. So, I'm going to cut up a cucumber. I can bring you back down and show you what I'm doing. So, I'm going to cut up a cucumber. There we go. And this definitely needs to be used up. So the cucumber goes into one of them. We'll put it in this one. Alright. And I have some celery. So I'll put some in this one. And then I have an onion. So I put a little bit of onion in that one. And then you could put seasoning. I do put a little bit of salt in it. Oh, there we go. So we'll put salt. Let's see if I can get to it. Oh, I can't get to it. So we'll just add some salt. Okay. What is the other thing I need? And my olives. So, I'll put some olives in here. You can cut these up. You can leave them whole. I just threw some in there. If you don't like black olives, there's green olives. And this video will be coming soon. I made homemade ranch dressing. Oh my goodness, it is so good. I was like, why haven't I done this before? So I've got homemade ranch dressing that I'm going to put in my chicken salad. And that should be enough. You can just mix it together. Like I said, you could cut up the olives. That way, you know. And you can put onion powder and garlic powder, and you can season it all kinds of ways. We can put some chives in there. So we'll add a little bit of chives. Let's see if I can get to it. And we'll put some parsley flakes in. And you really don't need a lot, you know. Just put it in there. Give it some good color. And I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. That is one chicken salad. One way you can make chicken salad. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Put y'all back there. Woo, it didn't go. It didn't stop. Yes. I'm going to try to order a stand this week. So here we go. Here's our chicken salad. This one has got the olive and everything in there. So we got onions and celery. We got the chives, parsley, there's salt, and you could put garlic in there also. Let's take a bite. Oh my gosh, this is so good. With that ranch dressing, definitely. So, a couple Sundays ago, I did. When was last Sunday? Sunday before last. TMU kitchen gadgets. I forgot. I got this. This is an avocado slicer and scooper. So, we were wondering if it works. I tested it out. Of course, you know, I wanted a big avocado, and they got me a small avocado. This is a teeny. Well, not too teeny, but we're going to see if this works. So this is the part you cut with. And this is soft, so, but it does work. It cuts really well. So that cuts, there we go. And this one went bad, but this is for demonstration purposes. Does this work with the scoop? So I'm going to show y'all. Actually, it works very well. So, let's see here. I'm going to sit this in the Alright. So, let's see if this other one's any good. And this one just feels just as soft. So, we'll see. So, actually, that works very well. It does work, you know. I was really impressed with it. Alright, so this one works. This is a whole lot better. So let's rinse this off. Okay. So that's clean. And like I said, I was surprised, but I'm glad. This is sharp. I mean, it's plastic, but it's sharp enough it will cut through that. We're gonna sit there. You want to do it?
No.
No. You do. Take it in. It makes the lines. And scoop it out. It's like, oh, that's so cool. So I'll get the rest of this out. Oh, there's one other thing I need to get to add to my chicken salad. And that just pops that out. You know, it just goes in and scoop it and pop out your seed. Okie dokie. So yes, that works very well. You rinse my hands. All right. Relish. I do add relish to my chicken salad. Hey, so we have this one. And we're going to cut up the avocado, chop it up, well, chop it. I don't know about anybody else. Every time I try to do this on the cutting board with the avocado, just like slides everywhere. So I just do it with a spoon or something. So we got that chopped up. We're going to add the rest of the onion. And at this time, you can add a cucumber. I didn't last time. Here's my ranch dressing. So add a little bit of that. Oh, that's honey mustard. I had thought about doing that. I'll have to taste that later. There's my celery. We're going to add a little bit of parsley flakes. A bit of chives. Yes, I'm going to add relish to this one too. You know, just eyeball it and see. Now, this only has 60 grams of sodium in the relish, so I'm not going to add any salt. So, and I didn't add cucumber the last time I did the one with the avocado, so I'm not going to add it this time. But I made it the other day, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so good. I got to do a video. So, here we go. Now this one, let's see here. There you go. We got avocado, we have the chicken, we have celery, onions, and all that good seasoning and the relish and all. So here we go. Oh my goodness gracious. Both of them are so good. So that's what I did with chicken salad, just to change it up. Like, oh my goodness gracious. So, that's our chicken salad. That's what we're having for lunch. And Stasia's having her little salad with cheese and $1,000 dressing. And I found a way to make that homemade too. You'd be surprised what that is entailed also. But first we'll do the ranch dressing sometime next week. So, you have anything else you want to say?
If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. We'll see you next time on our treasure home.
There you go. There's lunch. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And like she said, if you haven't liked, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home. Have a wonderful and blessed day.